Welcome back. So today is the second day. As per plan. Today we will go in depth of the forest as per planned. So let's do the cold start. So we will go in that direction from where we have come, because at that side there are several routes to explore. Last day I came to this side because for this water source, which requires to do campaign. We will go left. We will choose the middle one, the difficult one. Let's see what type of problem we face. I think something is there. Something like a platform. Let's check out there. I think we should get to the sand. Easier to figure it out. What's this? I think we came the wrong way. Can this truck pass this? Let's make a try. Try to pass under this. I think it's not possible. Now we have to figure it out something else. Here comes the real use of this truck. Maybe this is bad on the road but best for this type of situation. This is the reason I bring this truck. Shit got hit by the metal bar. At last what is it in the middle of nowhere? Again. I don't want it to get hit again. At last. We finally reached here. Which we saw there when we are coming. Looks like a port or something. Not sure about it. No, we have to figure out some place for today's campaign. Wait a minute. What's that? Looking like a dinosaur or blue whale bone. Wait, let's check it out. So big it is. I think this is a blue whale. What else left to see? I am enjoying this trip a lot. Somewhere here we have to find a spot for campaign. I think this place is looking good. Let's park here. And let the engine take some rest. Look at the condition of the car. So dirty. Oh shit, as expected. Get our first dent on this trip. Definitely from that metal bar. But that's okay, this is part of the trip. SEO tomorrow comes again for day 3. Subscribe, share, comment, like.